Welcome to Jungle Boot. Today we will be giving you information on how to get NDA past questions. Our goal is to allow you come out in flying colors in your military journey. Please like and subscribe to encourage us. Enough with the introduction. So, we'll be continuing from here. So, for you to get your past question, you have to get to this website. You will see the link somewhere at the end of this video, so do well to watch all through. Then, after you get the website, then you click on that button. You can see the text there. So, the moment you get to this place, you click on that button, you see the countdown. So the moment the countdown goes off, you will get access to the download button. So just wait for the countdown to be complete, then you will get the link to download the past question. Please do like and subscribe for more videos to encourage us, to appreciate us for this video that we are giving, this past question we're giving for free, and the information. We will add a more recent past question to the link provided. Leave a comment so we will reply the comment when the video has been updated, so YouTube notifies you of the reply. You take that as a signal. So thank you very much and God bless you. I hope this was helpful to you.